Sometimes what will happen is we'll have a patient who comes to us because they've recently lost their insurance. And they'll come here and they'll say, well, I'm going to come here because you guys will take me without insurance. And then when I get my insurance, I'm going to go back and see a real doctor. Well, what happens is they start coming here and they realize that we can provide them really good quality care, and they end up staying with us. Once they get their insurance, they end up staying with us because they realize what we can do for them and how we can help them without having to go to another medical office. We have to do a lot of problem solving. We always work on evidence-based medicine, on the latest protocols for disease management, but we have to do a lot of problem solving. So when a patient comes in with diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, you have to do a little bit of negotiating. Okay, which labs can we do now? Which labs might we get in the next couple of months? How do we get them the medications that they need without charging them a lot of medicine? We can't write them the latest and greatest new fandango branded medicine that comes out. And so we always need to make sure that the medications that we do are not only evidence-based, but also cost-effective. So there's lots of problem-solving skills that you have to use in your work here, and it's good. It makes you use your brain. It makes you really think about what you're doing and why you're doing it. And it's difficult to try and take care of someone who barely has the money to come in for a visit and wants to talk about their hypertension, their diabetes, a skin rash, plus get their pap smear and their mammogram all at the same visit because they only have enough money for that one visit. So that's difficult. It's also difficult because you want to spend time with your patients because you really want to get to know them. But the most rewarding is to see them over time, to make these changes. You see the kids growing up, they get bigger, they go to school, they're off to college, and it's just so rewarding to watch them, to get to know the family, and to touch everybody's lives in that way.